Hi, I made this and I have no idea what I'm doing. But first, we have to make a way worse version because you've got a party in 15 minutes that you have to dress up for and you haven't thought of it yet. Oh my god, 3 things you need for a Ninja Turtle costume. You need a green suit things. Party is about to begin. Green shirt, green trousers, and then we need a shell. We need the shell. Follow. What do I need? I need tape. Found it. Same knife thing. Tops inside out, doesn't matter. All you need, big box. Tape it together. Cut a hole out. Hole for arms. And remove the bottom. I don't know why I taped it, we just needed to remove it. I'm stuck. Much bigger hole. Try this. Turtle shell. There's a look. Thank you. Let's go. Okay. Third thing we need face masks, colorings. So let's go. Crepe paper and make it fit a little bit better. Let's take this off. Craft paper, tape, stuck. Craft paper, tape, stuck. Craft paper, tape, stuck. 10 minutes, you need a costume. One more thing. Grab some knives, and that is how you make a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle costume in a very short time.
Yeah, hit it.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, gonna take pollution down to 0.
How fun! That looks exhausting. Now it's time for the high effort mode of the Ninja Turtle shell plus full costume outfit. To start with, we're going to make a big giant shell, and to do that we're going to cut out and glue together some foam to make a big giant dome shape, and then we're going to glue the shapes on top of it so it's double thick, double strong. We'll cut off the excess, add a border, add maybe 2 borders. And here's everything you'll need. Get ready to pause it. And the foam we're using is just that baby floor matting stuff. You can buy it everywhere. Doesn't have to be perfect because other stuff is going on top of it. And there we go. We have got our major pieces. I cut these out. These are like the cool Ninja Turtle ab things. You know what I mean? You get what I'm saying? Also, it doesn't matter about colour because we are going to spray paint them all white with primer before we actually paint them. Yeah, so let's glue.
Cool transition, eh? Okay, so now, that was so dumb. Gluing, we're using contact adhesive.
Here's what mine looks like.
And for this, you don't just glue, stick. You've got to glue, wait and dry, stick. Do not stick the wet pieces of glue together. It won't work. It will be disgusting. It will be rank. Slowly, little bit. Line it up and stick it. Look at that. That's not coming off. That's not coming off at all.
Squeeze it together. There we go, done it. That is the back. How does that look? So here's how we did it. We made the inner shell, and then we stuck these shapes on it, and then a ream around the edge, and then another ream around the edge here. And then after battling the wind for a bit, I glued the front and the back together with, you guessed it, foam and glue. We got it, we got it, we got it. Hold it, stick it. Does it fit? Wait, can you even hear me? How good does that look? Now it's foam, we want to paint it. And we are done. All painted, all primed. There you go, that's what it looks like now. This has got a few layers on it. I have put 2 layers of, what's it called? Sorry, just editing, Plastidip. It's called Plastidip. And I've also done 1 layer of primer. I don't know if any of them were needed, but there were different colors, so paint it all white, make it simple. Now time to put color on. Yellowy for the front and browny for the back. I'm chuffed. I'm also doing the lighter color first, so we don't have to worry about overspray. The darker brown will just cover it up. Yeah, and just should be right. Just be careful, eh? And now while that's drying, we are going to start the sewing process. The green. I could just paint myself green, which I'm not opposed to. I do tend to get told off when I stain everything though. Or the other option is just buy an Invisible Man green suit, which I have done. However, I have just realised that this is a one size female. Bit confusing how it says Invisible Man, female. So we're just going to try it. Okay. It looks perfect. How good is my green turtle skin? Michelangelo, shell on. I love it. Yeah. My legs are a little bit short. I get it. It's embarrassing. Torso, too skinny, if anything. Look at that. Never been too skinny before. Oh. Now, we just have to sew the armbands, the big belt, the mask. Oh, we are nearly there. Oh, that was spooky. I think my sewing machine is haunted. Okay, now let's sew. For the arm pads and knee pads, we're going to cut out and sew together little baggy things that we will fill with foam. We'll sew those closed and then over it a couple more times to give it some texture. And then on the back we're going to attach some stretchy but the same colour material so it really clings to you. Then with the stretchy material you sew a big long tube Cut it in half and you got a pair of socks without toe bits. You look good. Work it. Wowza, 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 you look good. Okay, that's enough showing off. On to putting it all together. I have made a belt and we now have to attach it to the shell. How good does that look? Yes, I know it looks flat and boring. That's because we have not finished yet. To add a little bit of texture, I've got transparent black, except I don't know how transparent it is. Transparent? What's the word? Like a little bit of a explosion happened and it all went one direction. And now this is the side, the overspray thing, I think will actually help and matter. Because you don't want just like a darker bit of brown and a lighter bit of brown, darker. You kind of want it all going the same way to look shadowy-ish. Pick a side. I think all the dark bits are going to come from this way. So we just put this here. And we're done. How good does that look? Or if you overspray or whatever, who cares? Just paint over it again. Or not, who cares? We're just figuring it out. We're mucking around. I'm learning, you're learning. Now all I need to do is add the belt into it. What is that? How good does this look? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Look at my shell. Oh, my shell. Unless you are called Michelle. Look at that, Michelle. Look at it's tangled. Also, I have made this quite tight, so I don't need straps. You can add a little green strap here if you do find it falling down. How good? Thank you for watching. My name is Grave St.Claire. Follow along. Halloween. Have a happy one. Radical Dude. Ninja Turtles. Thank you so much. I love you. Give it a go yourself.
Hello?